Zookeeper Kenneth. What's wrong?
Oh, the monkeys are missing. They always get into trouble, and I'm really worried about them.
We can find them. Yeah!
Really? That's great.
Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Now, where could those monkeys be? Morphle, no.
Ah, a monkey?
I guess we found the first monkey. But where is it?
It's right there on the ceiling.
Crab changed the monkey's gravity.
Yep. And now it wants to stay on the ceiling.
Morphle can catch it. Yeah!
You did it. Great!
Do you know where the other monkeys could have gone to? Are you sure one monkey is out at sea? Oh, monkey! Oh no, a shark! Morphle, help! We need to scare the shark away. And I have an idea. Don't worry, monkey. We only need to find the third monkey. Monkey! Hi, Cloud Monster and Monkey.
Oh, hello. I made a new friend.
That's great. But we need to take the monkey and his friends back to the zoo.
Oh, okay.
But you can play with all three of them in the zoo.
Really?
We're back, and we brought a friend.
Great! There you are!
Morph into a race car. Ready, set, go! Woo-hoo!
They are just what I need.
Huh? Race away, Morphle.
Wait! Morphle, you cannot drive that fast in my city. Next time, you'll get a ticket.
Sorry.
That goes for you, too.
Whoa!
You really need to fly slower.
Sorry, Mr. Policeman.
We're out of the city. Yeah!
Wow, so fast.
So warm. Yeah. Uh-oh. The wheels are stuck in the sand. Oh, no. Morphle! Morph into a monster truck.
Wow.
Morphle, stop! Whoa! Morph into a speedboat. You did it, Morphle. Yeah!
Wait!
Uh-oh. Morphle, look out! Ah!
Are you okay?
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Alien. But why did you follow us?
I saw you race and wanted to invite you to the space race.
Whoa!
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, thank you, Delivery Man Morphle. Let's see what's inside. Mr. Action!
Hey guys, I need to deliver this package to Zookeeper Kenneth, so I'm going to be away for a little while.
A real delivery! Morphle and I can do that for you.
Oh, that would be fantastic.
Magic pet food? I'm sure the animals will love that.
And that's a successful delivery. Bye, Kenneth.
Oh, wait a moment. Would you mind if you also delivered a package for me?
Of course not.
Thank you. This package needs to go to your teacher.
We'll do it right away.
Oh, wonderful. As it happens, I also have a package to deliver. It's for your Uncle Wilfred.
Isn't he on an expedition?
Right, and that's why I need you. It's too far for me to travel.
All right. Morphle, morph into a rocket.
and Morphle, are you here to take pictures of animals too? Oh, wow! A book about wild animals. Just what I need. Oh, and I also have a package. It's for Professor Rashid.
Another package? All right, then. This is a lot of work. I don't want to keep doing this all day. Oh, no.
Wonderful. It's a jungle plant.
Okay, we're off, Professor Rashid.
Oh, hold on there, Mila. Your daddy called and he wants you to pick up a package from the ice cream man.
What? Another package? Fine. Let's go, Morphle. You have a package that needs to be delivered?
Ah, yes. It is for your father. Thank you and enjoy.
Great. Daddy, we have a package for you. Whoa!
Welcome back. Take a seat. I've heard you've had a very busy day. No, Morphle. That package is for the two of you.
Ice cream!
This is Barry. He received an invitation from his nephew Frank, who lives in the jungle, and he would like to visit him. But I can't just leave the zoo unattended. Could you take Barry to the jungle, Mila and Morphle?
Of course, Zookeeper Kenneth. Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Don't get too close, Morphle. The volcano is really hot. Okay, Barry, where does your nephew Frank live? Don't worry. We will help you find him. This sounds like a job for Detective Mila and Detective Morphle. Does Frank like bananas, Barry? Then he must have dropped these while taking a walk. If we follow the bananas, we will find Frank. Oh no, a tiger! Morph into a lion, Morphle! Whew, thank you, Morphle. Yes, back to the search. Oh no, look! The elephant is dropping all those bananas, not Frank! You want us to follow you? nephew Frank. Yay! Hey, Barry. It's getting late, and we have to return home. Ooh, that's very nice. Thank you so much for the party, everybody. Morph into a helicopter, Morphle. Mr. Mirror, can you show us what's happening in the mirror world?
I most certainly can, Mila.
Morphle love Mirror World!
Orphle?
No, Morphle. Put him back inside me. That's awful. In the mirror world, everything is the opposite of what it's like in our world. And since Morphle is very friendly, I am afraid that Orphle will want to do nothing but bad things.
Good thinking. We can't have Morphle running around in the city creating a mess. Come, Morphle, let's play with Chroma for a while.
Hello, Morphle. How are you today?
Oh, police officer nice.
Whoa! What are you doing? Morphle! You can't just leave me here!
Sounds like someone's looking for you, Morphle.
There you are, Morphle. Now get me back down from here. Thanks, but I don't appreciate these kind of shenanigans.
Shenanigans?
It was you who put me on the roof in the first place.
But Morphle was inside with us the whole time.
No, he put me on the roof, and he was laughing about it, like this.
Oh no, that sounds like Orphle. Mr. Mirror, show us the mirror world, please. Oh no, Orphle has escaped.
Oh, dear.
We need to find him, you guys.
My car!
What are you doing, Morphle?
Are you building something? Hey, what's the deal here?
This isn't fun, Morphle.
There you are. This joke has lasted long enough. Put everything back, please, Morphle.
But Morphle did no do.
We must be getting close. Morph into a race car.
What about my car?
Morphle, put us back on the ground.
But if that's Morphle, who's that? Who's winning?
And who's the real Morphle? We need to make sure Orphle can't pretend to be Morphle anymore. Chroma, paint Orphle green. Troy and April down first. I hope we have seen the last of Orphle.